Effective home remedies for gum disease. Gum disease, also known as gingivitis, is a common condition characterized by symptoms like persistent bad breath, red or swollen gums, bleeding gums, receding gums, and loose teeth. If not treated, it can advance to periodontal and lead to further complications. The primary cause of gum disease is a poor oral hygiene, resulting in plaque buildup along and under the gum line. Plaque buildup when bacteria attach to the tooth and gum margins. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide works as a strong antibacterial agent, germs, and fight gum diseases. Plus, it helps whiten and brighten your fairly white teeth. Make sure you use the 3% hydrogen peroxide solution that typically comes in brown bottles rather than the high concentrated version. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Rinse your mouth with the solution for a few seconds and then spit it out. Use it a few times a week until you are satisfied with the result. Do not use hydrogen peroxide too often. Once a day is sufficient. Aloe vera. Due to its inflammatory and healing properties, aloe vera has been found to be beneficial in dealing with gum diseases. Being an antimicrobial, it also kills the bacteria that causes gum disease. Massage your gums with fresh aloe vera gel. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then rinse it off. Repeat several times a day. Alternatively, swish some aloe vera gels around in your mouth a few times. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Ayurvedic technique that is excellent for oral cure. It helps strengthen the teeth and gums, reduce plaque, and relieves bad breath. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil around in your mouth and through your teeth. Do this for about 15 minutes or until it becomes thinner and turns milky. Do not gargle or swallow the oil. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. Repeat the process daily for about a month. Tea tree oil. The anti-inflammatory properties of a tea tree oil help soothe irritated and inflamed gums. Put a few drops of tea tree oil on your toothpaste or buy toothpaste with tea tree oil in it for brushing your teeth 2 times a day. Do not swallow the oil. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of coconut oil help in the natural treatment of gum diseases. Combining it with baking soda will help neutralize the acid in your mouth too. Mix 2 tablespoons each of coconut oil and baking soda. Use this in place of your toothpaste once or twice a week on regular basis. In addition to these remedies, make sure to maintain adequate oral hygiene, including daily brushing, flossing, and using a mouth rinse to reduce plaque built up on your teeth. Plus, get regular dental checkups.